Hello, 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 and welcome to Money Sprinkles. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done it yet, please make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure to comment at the end of this video if you have any comments about this video, if you have the credit card that we're about to talk about, or if you are looking for a credit card for me to do a video about. Please go ahead and make those comments in the box below or in the comments, and I will definitely get back to you. Again, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Today, we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal Credit Union, the nRewards credit card, and let me go ahead and bring it up real quick. Credit cards. Okay, and what is the nRewards Navy Federal Credit Union credit card? The nRewards is. What is it? What is it? Let me find it first of all, and we will continue here. All right, here it is. Let's go to the details. Oops, wrong one. Hold on. Hold on. Stop fast. Stop fast. I clicked on the wrong one. There you go. Card details. Okay. So talking about the nRewards secured credit card. Why would you want an nRewards secured credit card? Well, in my previous videos, I talked to you about, and if you haven't done that yet, just watch my playlist of Navy Federal Credit Union. Um, Anything that you're asking about that you could possibly be questioning about, how to become a member, how about the internal score, what do you need, what my playlist basically covers all the angles of the Navy Federal Credit Union. So basically, let's say that you apply for a credit card or you did the pre-approval, and the only thing that comes up that Navy Federal would currently qualify you based on your credit rating is the nRewards secured credit card. Well, don't fret. There's nothing wrong with it. The reason why you would want to have the secured credit card, of course, is so you could build and establish your credit history. Let's say that you had a bad situation to where your current credit score is not where you want it to be, it's considered bad or fair. This credit card is here to assist you and to help you make better choices when it comes to your credit card. And what this does, it raises your credit score. It'll help you establish a great credit history with an excellent credit union. You cannot get any better than this. The Navy Federal Credit Union is the largest federal credit union in the United States, and it's basically known as the house of high credit limits. So if you're in the Navy Federal Credit Union, you definitely want to have that relationship and all the products that they currently offer, because the Navy Federal Credit Union is the place to be when it comes to banking. So if you get the Navy Rewards Secure Credit Card, you want to make sure that you're never late. Never max out this credit card. You don't want to do that, because maxing out your credit card is showing some type of desperation that that you need the credit in order to subsist. You don't want that. You want the Navy Federal Credit Union to see you as a responsible adult, being able to pay your debts on time, no late payments. Basically, if you could, do not carry a balance on your credit card. So that means pay it off every month. And what happens is, after 6 months, the Navy Federal Credit Union will assess your current situation with your secured credit card, and they might even upgrade you to an unsecured credit card. Okay, so let's go over this site real quick. The Navy Federal nRewards Secured Credit Card lets you earn rewards while building your credit. That you're not going to find in too many credit cards. Reward points are not normally found on a secured credit card, and Navy Federal definitely does that. Again, it's the best for establishing credit, new credit card users, and rebuilding credit. It happens to the best of us. I actually had a 510 credit score at one point. I repaired my credit myself. I fixed it. I rebuilt it. So I know what it's like to be rebuilding your credit, and this is one of the best ones. Basically, what you want to do is pre-qualify. Like I said in my previous videos, a pre-qualification is probably the best thing to do with Navy Federal, because it is a soft pull. Okay. The current rates are 18%, but of course, if you don't carry a balance, you don't have to worry about that, right? No annual fees, That's definitely a plus because a lot of banks are charging for the secured cards. And it's crazy because it's basically charging you for your own money, right? No balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees. And you get 1 point for every dollar you spend. So the rewards program is definitely a plus for me. Um, of course, they're designed with the military in mind because that's what Navy Federal is all about, is taking care of the armed forces personnel. So in order for you to open up this account, you will have to deposit at least $200 into your membership savings account, just to back your spending. If you have more, go ahead and put it in there. Just know that at that time that your savings account is going to be pretty much frozen. You won't be able to touch that. You could always add more money. Um, Basically what your deposit is what's exactly going to be your credit limit. You put 200, your credit limit is going to be 200. You add 3, and so on and so forth. After just 3 months, I have read many customers that have actually had a credit line increase without having to increase the security deposit. So that's definitely a plus. 3 months is not a long time. That's just 90 days. And then, like I stated earlier, at 6 months, they're going to review your account. They actually review it every month, but definitely on the 6th month, they're going to review your account, to see if they could go on ahead and have the savings. They could go ahead and return those funds back to you. And more than likely, they will be looking at upgrading you to a cash rewards unsecured card, which is an outstanding card to have because it has some really high credit limits. Um, the on time payments is definitely a must, and keeping your balance under your credit limit will definitely improve your odds of getting the graduating from the secured credit card onto the unsecured. Um, there's no limit on the amount of rewards points you can earn, and they expire after 4 years. This credit card even covers you for rental car coverage, which is definitely a plus. You can redeem the points for cash, statement credit, gift cards, and merchandise. Excuse me. Excuse me. So at this time, like I said, the nRewards is definitely a card to have. Um, don't worry about that 18% interest because you won't be carrying a balance, right? So I hope this video has helped you. And if it has not, and if there are still other questions that you may have with regards to the Navy Federal Credit Union secured credit card, please make your comments and make your suggestions below, and I will definitely be taking a look at that. Okay? Thank you for watching.